I say we don't want you to clap your hands. I said we don't want you to clap your hands unless you feel it. If you feel it, then go for yourself. It's all right. If you feel it like you sound, I'll have to do just a little bit more. All right. You know I'm free now, baby.